Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, first of all, I would love to appreciate each and every one of us for being here and for your consistency over the days and year a month actually of coming to this channel and then showing your support and also you know your love basically. And so in this channel, what we do is that we forecast the market um, for the week, and we also ensure that we provide some information regarding to the forex market that will help you in your day-to-day trading activities. And what will be happening today is that we're going to be analyzing forex market, yeah, and then a couple of currency pairs, yeah. Basically, we're going to be analyzing EUR USD and XAU USD. I would love you to stick to this video and then watch to the very end. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and then share your comments, your thoughts about the video. Okay. So, having said that, let's move straight into the analysis. So, basically, as you could see from the watermark, this is EUR USD. And let me take off the watermark so that we can have a more visible chart. So right here we have AURUSD, and now what I normally do is that I check the chart from the monthly time frame to see what the monthly bias is all about. What exactly is the monthly telling me? And right now we could see that the monthly from the monthly time frame we have a downtrend market. Okay, now let's do this from this very point. Let me do something like this. Let me see if it will work. Yeah, I think we're getting it right. Okay, hold on. Now you could see that it's a bearish downtrend, right? From this point, we had a touch here, we had a touch here, we had a touch here, we had a touch here. However, there was a bit of shoot to the upside, and then it gave us something like a double top. Yeah, obviously it's a double top. Sorry, guys. All right, so let me take this off. So we have something like a double top. Mind you, we don't trade the monthly time frame, okay? So I'm just trying to show you some of the things I notice. So we have a double top right here, one touch here, and the second touch here. One touch here and the second touch here. Okay. So this is more of like a double touch that it's respecting that particular region on a monthly time frame. So this is the bias from a monthly time frame. And then from the monthly time frame, you could see that we have our major support level here. We have our major support level, our major support area here. And then we have another support level right about here. Now we had several touches over here. We had one touch, two touch, three touch, and then although those didn't touch, but we had a break and then oh guys, sorry. We had a touch right about here, a break, and then it shoots to the upside, and then price retrace back, and respecting the trend line obviously. Now what I'm expecting to see is that price should continue to respect this trend line and then shoot to this very point. Now where we are heading to is this particular zone here. Okay, from a monthly time frame, it's obvious that we're coming down to this very support. Okay, it's obvious that we're coming to this very support. All right, guys. So moving down to the weekly time frame. Now that's that for monthly time frame, right? So let's take off the so that we don't have a clumsy chart. Okay. Okay, they're still relevant. And okay, let's mark out our major areas. So we have this major support resistance area. Oh god, let me make it this way. So this is more important, guys. So we have this major resistance area, and you know, have it in mind. And moving down to weekly time frame, we have this area right about here. Now looking at it on weekly time frame, we have a trend line which can match this very point right here. We had several touches. Okay, so we can have another trend line right here. But however, what I'm more interested in is the trend line below. Okay, so obviously we are having a price reaction um, shooting all the way up, but the bias, obviously we are looking at a sell, okay, a selling opportunity because we're on a downtrend. Now that doesn't mean that we shouldn't look at if there is a buying opportunity, we shouldn't consider that. Yeah, we can. If the overall direction is a bearish trend, which is selling opportunity, but if we have an opportunity to buy, why shouldn't we? Okay, so but obviously more of what we should be looking out for from the observation so far is a selling opportunity. Now take a look at this. Now I am more of the selling part. My bias is obviously um bearish. Now looking at it in this aspect, I'm expecting price to come this way, react at this point, if possible, and then break. Now if we can break this very support, this very area, this very support, if we can break this very support, then I'll be looking more of a short to this very point right here. Sorry guys. So I'll be looking more of a short to this very point here where we had our where we looked at on our monthly time frame. Okay, so but that's by the way where I'm trying to narrow it down to a more reasonable time frame so that we could see what we can trade on a intraday basis. Okay, so now this is what I'm looking out for. I'm expecting, remember what we did on a weekly time frame? We're expecting price to come to this very point, right? So this is what I'm looking out for. Price coming right here to give us a second touch. Price coming right here to give us a second touch. And then we shoot all the way to this very point. Okay. Price coming right here to give us a second touch and then we shoot all the way down. But this is on a daily time frame. So our focus is not on a daily time frame, right? So let's move down to 4 hour time frame where we can refine our strategy and then look for a good opportunity. Now, if you're looking at it on a 4 hour time frame, right, you would be considering the fact that price had come to this very point here, this very key level, right? You might be thinking, oh, once price comes to this key level, I will be shorting it from this point here. Let me use this rectangle to, I'll be shorting it from this very point here. I'm going short. But the problem there is that going short right here is manipulative because we have a very strong resistance point at this point here. where we took it from the weekly time frame and also the daily time frame. We've noticed that that's why top-down analysis is very important. Okay, so we figured it out that from the weekly daily time frame, this very point is very major. Okay, so whatever price we do right here, definitely it's likely going to break this resistance right here, this minor resistance here, although price will consolidate for a period of time. Now, how do I know that it's likely going to consolidate for a period of time? If you look your left, you notice that price has reacted for a very long period of time, only God knows how many hours over there. Okay, although I can know if I am interested in calculating it. Okay, so if you take a look at it, you'll notice that price consolidated for a very long period of time at this region right about here. Okay, so it has been consolidating for a long period of time, and what we should look out for is that price is likely going to do the same thing here. There'll be a whole lot of manipulation as if it will sell off, still come back, react, misbehave, act as long as it wants before shooting all the way up, and then we should expect the major trend to the downside. Okay, so what happened in the left side, it's most likely definitely going to happen at the right side. Okay, so have it in mind. Now moving down to the 1 hour time frame for us to check um, more about it. Let's see if this trend line is going to match what we're looking out for. Um, let's see from here. Okay, so we've seen so far that price has been respecting this trend line. Okay, price has been respecting this trend line for a couple of time. Right here, the support of this trend line, price has been respecting, and then what we should look out for is for price to come here, still come back to the support, and then shoot all the way up, and then we have our way to the support here. Now, mind you, from what we've seen from the monthly time frame, like I said, is that price is coming. Where is our last? I'm trying to look for. Okay, so this very point here, this very support is where our target is. Okay, we've seen it on a monthly time frame, so this is where our overall target is coming to. Okay, so but since we are trading daily and maybe um swinging this trade, because it's going to last, obviously it's going to last more than a day, for price to come here, give us a trading opportunity, and then if we are holding it down to this very point, it's really a major one. Okay, so but that's by the way. Let's move on. So this is what I'm expecting. Price should come, react on this very trend line, which has been serving as a support, and then we move all the way to the resistance right here, and we short. Now coming down, let's check 15 minutes, where we most time do our entry from. Now you could see something that we can actually have some trading opportunity even before price gives us what we want. Now look at it here. I'm trying to show you guys something. This is our support area. Now we can actually have a trading opportunity right here if price breaks below this very support area. If it breaks this very support, we should be expecting a pullback to somewhere right about here, and then it shoots all the way to this trend line. Okay, so which is our because like I said, this trend line, we are looking forward to price respecting this trend line so that we can have our way shoot to this very resist to no to this very resistance so that we can have a good swing trading opportunity down to that very support that I was referring to. Okay, so from right here, once price breaks this support area, we should expect a pullback to somewhere, where started from, okay, before the breakout, which is this level right here, and then our stop loss could be somewhere right about here, and then our take profit here. Okay, guys. So that is that, and now let's see it clearly. You could see what I'm talking about clearly. Can you see it? Now, our overall focus is for price to respect this very trend line, because so far it has proven. You could see how many touches: one, two, no, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, several number of touches. Okay, so we're expecting price to come right here, and then we take our profits. Now, this is another interesting thing you need to take note of. This is my god. So this is a support area where if price most likely violated or cross above this trend line, it's coming here, respect it, which is manipulative, and then move all the way up. But however, the overall information about EURUSD is that EURUSD is bearish. Okay, EURUSD is bearish. Thank you guys for sticking to this video, and I do appreciate. And please don't forget to like, subscribe to this video, to this channel, and then drop a comment what you think about this video. I really appreciate. Have a nice